In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable one-click trading on MT5 mobile. If you want to place trades instantly without extra pop-ups, one-click trading on the MetaTrader 5 mobile app can save you valuable time. Here's how to turn it on and what to watch out for so you can use it confidently and safely. Start by opening the MetaTrader 5 app on your Android device. On the main screen, tap the menu icon in the top corner. From there, go into Settings. In the list of options, look for one-click trading. When you find it, turn it on by checking the box or toggling the switch. The app will present terms and conditions that explain how instant execution works. Make sure you read and understand them, then accept to enable the feature. Once it's enabled, you'll see buy and sell buttons directly on your chart. This is the key difference. A single tap on either button will immediately execute a market order at the current available price. There is no extra confirmation screen. That speed is the whole advantage, especially in fast-moving markets. But it also means you need to be precise. Before you tap, always double-check your lot size. The volume you have set in your order panel or chart toolbar is exactly what will be used when you place a trade with one tap. If it's too large or too small, adjust it first. It also helps to confirm you're on the correct symbol and the right trading account, since the order will go through instantly. Be mindful of market conditions. Spreads can widen during news or low liquidity periods, and slippage can occur with rapid price changes. A stable internet connection is important as well, so your order is sent and filled as expected. Keep your fingers clear of the buy and sell buttons when you're just analyzing a chart to avoid accidental taps. A quick tip: if you're new to one-click trading, consider practicing on a demo account to get comfortable with the speed and layout. Set a conservative default lot size that matches your risk management plan and only increase it when you're confident. To recap, you open MT5, go to the menu, select Settings, find one-click trading, turn it on, and accept the terms. From there, trades are just one tap away on your chart. Used carefully, this feature can streamline your workflow and help you react faster while still keeping your risk under control.